Devon and Cornwall, UK, September 29, 2024. Severe storms have impacted lives during high waves and flooding in parts of the UK since Sunday. Yellow wind and rain warnings are in place across Devon and Cornwall, as severe weather led to stormy seas, cancelled trains and even disruptions. Wind gusts were predicted to reach 60 miles per hour in some areas. In Devon, dramatic video footage shows huge waves crashing into the seawall at Midfoot Beach in Turkey. The full power of nature has been on display this evening as high winds and heavy rain lashes the region. The waves can be seen rising high into the air and crashing down on vehicles meters away. The wind can be heard billowing loudly. Both ends of the seafront route seems to be bearing the worst of the impact. The Ddestroy half marathon and 10 km 6.2 miles races were cancelled amid safety concerns and some attractions closed for the day. There are chaotic scenes for rail passengers this evening and reports of 100 people being stranded due to the cancellations of services between Exeter and Penzance. Severe weather conditions between Exeter St. David's and Penzance mean all lines are blocked and services to and from these stations are not running. At 20.30, the company said that the 12.36 Paddington to Pington service had been moved back to Newton Abbot. The other service, the 13.00 Cardiff to Penzance trains, was also being moved to Newton Abbot so customers could be taken off. The spokesman said the advice to passengers was not to travel and the day's ticket will be valid tomorrow. All lines were also blocked between Par and Newquay and between Truro and Falmouth docks, GWR said. Elsewhere, sites that close due to the weather including Wildwood Animal Park in Altery St. Mary and the Minack Theatre in Penzance. Some people captured wave battering South Pier and lashing the lighthouse at Newlyn Harbour in Cornwall. The Met Office said the rain was expected to ease during the second half of Sunday night. The wind warning is placed until 23.59 BST on Sunday, while the rain warning is due to end on Monday morning at 9 o'clock.
Oh yes! Hey, all welcome!
Numerous cancelled events included Park Life in Falmouth, Woolacombe Beach Clean, Turpoint Street Market and the Minack Theatre. Perched on the Cornish Cliff of Port Cornish said on social media it has closed due to the high winds with ticket holders to contact them directly. The rail line between Credisons and Okehampton was closed on Sunday morning for more than an hour after a train hit a tree, which was felled by strong winds. A yellow weather warning is also currently in place for South Wales, while further yellow rain warnings have been issued for Monday. One covers eastern England between 8 o'clock British Summer Time on Monday and 3 o'clock on Tuesday. And the other is for North Wales and Northwest England between 0:30 and 20 on Monday. There were also flood alerts on Sunday in the River Exe, Rivers Otter and Sid areas and between Dulwich Warren and Sidon, and Start Point and Dulwich Warren. It comes after Southern England and the Midlands witnessed more than 250% of the average September rainfall. It signals a stark change in season and means summer is officially over. Winds are due to strengthen from the west to east during the day, with gusts of 50 to 55 miles per hour likely in places, exceeding 60 miles per hour in the most exposed areas. The Met Office said this will be accompanied by outbreaks of rain, heavy at times, which could lead to surface water and spray on roads. It's likely some coastal routes, seafronts, and coastal communities will be affected by spray and/or large waves, and the Met Office has forecast delays to road, rail, air, and ferry transport.